What's good, YouTube? It's that TKM Familia. Are you serious right now?
Y'all like my live, subscribe to my brother, share and like, and go subscribe to all my social medias, my TikTok, my Instagram, my Facebook, my Twitch. Subscribe to me on Bigo as well. I went live on Bigo the other day. I went live on Bigo. Subscribe to my Bigo too. Follow. Yeah, I went live on Bigo.
You guys, today, 2 days.
And I started to see what I went live on Bigo. So follow my Bigo too. Follow all my social media. Go follow.
I will.
I go live every last one.
You guys. Well, y'all don't know this. I will clean the bathroom with y'all boy Ty Gang
Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram.
Yes, you guys. I'm gonna be scrubbing the bathroom, the toilet, the sink. Yes, you guys. Listen, I'm tired of these L's. After L's. Not today. No. So today I will be using this toothbrush to clean the whole bathroom, you guys. I'm gonna be scrubbing. I'm gonna be using mad cleaning supplies, clean the toilet. He gonna be livid, you guys. 'Cause I know I'll be pissed off if somebody uses my toothbrush to just clean the bathroom, your sneakers or whatever, you guys. Oh my God, he's gonna go crazy, you guys. I'm just tired of taking these L's, you guys. Y'all feel me? Because y'all don't think I need to. But you guys, today's gonna be an epic video. We're gonna get into reaction, you guys. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and post notification bell. You guys say I don't miss a thing. And trust me, I don't want to miss this video today. Because it's gonna be, oh my God, it's gonna be crazy, you guys. So right now, you guys, I'm about to go set up the camera. And we're about to get Ty Gang's reaction. Yes, y'all boy reaction, you guys. And be ready, excuse me. Be ready to stamp all them L's in the comment section, you guys. All them L. Because he's taking an L today, you guys. Anyway, you guys, let's get started with this video. Alright, you guys, I got the cleaning supplies now. Wait, hold on. Let me go hide my toothbrush because he ain't going to be using mine. Hold on.
Say he ain't going to be using mine.
Alright, you guys, I'm going to get started with cleaning this bathroom with this toothbrush. Let's get it. I'm cleaning the bathroom. Yeah. I'm cleaning it.
Stop playing here.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Huh. It's getting good. This
I know this fucking girl. Yo, I know you fucking lie. Y'all gonna walk back out.
You don't know you fucking like, I know damn well you use my damn toothbrush. He using the toothbrush. Yes. You don't know damn well you ain't using my toothbrush to clean up the bathroom. Yeah.
When I'm done, I'm gonna be cleaning for you.
I'm not using that shit because you put bleach and came on that shit. Why I really put that in my mouth for?
This actually works.
And you steady cleaning it. Oh, this girl is doing the oppo joint. Why would you use some shit that I put in my mouth to clean the toilet seat with and all this shit?
Using a toothbrush to clean up the
Are you
bathroom.
fucking serious right now? I don't use your own shit. Why would you use mine?
Why would I use mine as a toothbrush? It got bad.
No, it doesn't make any sense for your brain is you using my fucking shit to clean the bathroom and you got your own toothbrush and then this vacuum rag in here.
You see how nice?
Why would you use that shit on my toothbrush for?
I don't know what works on both.
No, what would you do that for though?
Why?
I use that to brush my damn teeth. That's not. Yo, I swear to God.
I'm trying to clean over there. Do you gonna use back the
You doing too much? Like really my toothbrush?
Get the corner.
You said really my toothbrush?
I'm gonna do the bathtub.
And you stepping like you don't care.
I mean, it's getting the job done. I mean,
He said it's getting the job done.
A toothbrush bathroom cleaner.
Toothbrush, I brush my teeth with.
A toothbrush
He
bathroom.
said it's getting the job done.
For real, so you using my shit to clean the bathroom with it?
I told you I could just be cleaning.
I don't want to use this water. I want to use the damn toothbrush to clean the bathroom with the toilet.
Actually, it's usable. Drop in the water.
He said chop in the water. Yeah, but my
Why?
I
couldn't even find
you. Use my toothbrush.
I ain't even got gloves.
We got bathroom rag. We got the sponge. Why the hell do you use my shit? And you steady using it too. I don't even want it anyway no more though.
Is that only one in the most?
I told you when we clean it.
I mean, it don't
He said, how do you put it in the boat?
You going to the extreme and shit for real. She doing too much shit. Instead of using my toothbrush to clean the damn toilet, I just take the back and left. Why would you use my shit for?
Because it works. Look at this. Look at the.
He said, I don't want it no more.
Move like around circles. It's like
We got bathroom rags, sponges, this shit right here, the fucking scrubber thing.
That don't work.
This, for real.
That don't work.
You want to talk too much?
They need to upgrade it.
You should buy new ones if you feel that way.
Oh, yes. They don't even make those anymore. This is working. Look at how all the. Look at this. Look. They're just circling.
Over this girl, yo. Using my toothbrush to clean the sink and shit, clean the toilet, so I'm gonna be clean when you use it. I don't know, what are you doing?
I'm trying to get that crack stain right
I use a bathroom and bullshit around using my toothbrush and shit.
Bathroom.
Using all the cleaning supplies and shit, yo.
You gotta put your bathroom in it.
Too much, yo. You be going to the street, that's what I'm talking about. You doing extra shit.
Look.
What?
Listen.
Yo, stop fucking playing around, yo.
It's not like a DJ mix.
He said, like a DJ beat.
Brush my teeth, for real. Yeah. I hope you got a toothbrush for me.
Alright, just listen.
What?
Niggas, listen.
What?
Listen, I'm gonna show you something. Stay straight. Don't say that yet. Hold on. I want you to show you something. You ready? Hey, yo,
I brush my teeth with.
You gotta brush my teeth with.
Alright.
I cleaned the bathroom yesterday. Why was you cleaning again?
I think you missed something.
Yeah.
Double check. You know, guys can't really clean, so you gotta go behind them.
I know you fucking lie. Clean the bathroom thoroughly.
I know you fucking
I'm
lying.
rapping on my knees to clean this shit.
Well, you didn't do what I'm doing like this.
See, I messed up with my damn toothbrush.
You
He said, you doing it with a toothbrush.
Why would you use my shit for? You got your own toothbrush.
I wasn't risking
I'm
my
trying to do just shit.
And then she cleaned the toilet with his toothbrush though.
You bitch.
The toilet.
Batteries. It's not good to have batteries.
So why you ain't use it?
Because mine's gonna. It's
Why the hell you gonna use my shit for?
Because look at the teeth marks. It's perfect. It's so perfect. I gotta go with my
You going to the extreme shop, you going regular shit, you going to doing nasty foul shit. Got my toothbrush in the damn toilet.
They got my toothbrush in the damn toilet.
I'm not using that shit. You better go get a new
I'm gonna
toothbrush.
soak it in.
Go get a new toothbrush. Go that shit right. The back was clean.
You know what that attitude coming out your mouth?
What?
You are not ever gonna get
What
a
the hell you mean I'm gonna get a new toothbrush?
You're gonna
You
use
do the same damn way out there.
I'll still use it. I mean, just imagine getting a toothbrush clean out the bathroom.
Yeah, but you got the damn toilet. Who gonna use that toothbrush now? You got the damn toilet with the damn
You
toothbrush.
nasty, yo.
If you don't like how I'm cleaning the bathroom, you can hold your bathroom.
For real.
You can go hold your bladder.
I gotta use the bathroom and clean using my
Oh,
shit.
you're not using the bathroom cleaning it too. What the hell? I'm just enjoying my time.
Yo, come on, how y'all use the bathroom? What the hell? Yo, you better have a new toothbrush, yo.
But
No,
that
for real.
attitude, man, listen.
Nah, no, it's not right, yo. You using my shit. I use brush my teeth with that, for real.
You can
It
reuse
goes in my
it.
mouth. You know how I
Still,
feel?
yes, you can.
You wanna put game on there, bleach, put it in the toilet, brush it.
You can't reuse that no more. That gotta go in the garbage. That gotta go in the garbage. You can't use that no more. You clean out the damn toilet with it. It's going to go in the garbage.
But this is
Gonna
a
throw it
good
in the
one
garbage.
for you. You can still use it. Why you complaining if you
Gonna
can't
go in
use
the
it?
garbage.
That shit in my
The
mouth.
garbage.
I have bacteria and all shit. My teeth gonna fall out. My gums gonna
Look,
bleed.
it says
All that shit you said.
Look, it says it kills 99%, 99%. Get braille. Then it says it kills COVID.
Yeah, but that's no damn for your mouth.
Your
That's the damn
toothbrush could have had
for
COVID.
this shit. For the sick toilet tubs and
Your
stuff.
toothbrush could have had COVID in there. You wouldn't even know.
You better go give me a new toothbrush, yo. I brush my teeth at nighttime in the morning, so I need my toothbrush for tonight. You gotta give me a toothbrush.
Well, you got to use this one. I'm
I'm
clean.
not using that shit. What you doing right there?
He said she said you're going to use that. We can't use that one no more. That's going to go in the garbage. You got the toilet with it. That's going to have to go in the garbage.
Bleach and all that shit, gang, all that.
That's going to go in the garbage.
For real. You better give me a new toothbrush. How you like use your toothbrush?
Well, you can't use my toothbrush because my toothbrush got batteries in it.
I don't care. I still use that shit. That's what taking shit if you're going too far. For real.
Don't you hear that? Look. It's working. That shit is working.
I'm just going little shit. She going to the stream using my toothbrush to clean toilet.
I'm going to use both
Bleach on it. Game. And things a game, yo. I hope you got me a new toothbrush. For real. What are you going to do? So I brush my teeth at night
Oh
too.
my God. Let me just finish scrubbing the bathroom.
I don't want to hear that shit.
It's a new toothbrush cleaning. People need to invest in this. It works.
Hey, no.
Like people need to invest in this anyway. And I don't see them in the bathroom when they with a damn toothbrush. That's what they got a toilet brush for. They got a toilet brush for a toilet brush. Use a toilet brush to take a toilet. Not a take a toothbrush. They got a toilet brush for.
Niggas gone.
Losing my stuff. You damn right it's gone. For real, what you doing is wrong.
I should have put my face mask on this one.
Things are king, and we better have me a toothbrush, bro. All I gotta say.
All I gotta say is that you got one right here.
Stop using my shit. I'll be using that toothbrush. I just bought that toothbrush like a week
You
ago.
hear that? Look.
This one I
You
hate
think it's funny, y'all?
go
This
back
is
and
not
look
a
at
I'm
the
day.
back.
hating it. You know they say the bathroom?
You so damn evil. I'm telling you.
Do you know they said the toilet is the cleanest thing?
For real.
The bathroom, the water is clean. Everything is
Oh,
clean.
my toothbrush, so I'll use that brush my. I say, but even new toothbrush, I don't want it no more. I'm putting that in my mouth. I'm putting that shit
It
in my
is
mouth.
actually a safety.
I'm telling you, I'm not putting that in my mouth. Trust me. For real, you better have a new toothbrush, yo. Look at that kid and fall and shit. You just, that's nasty, yo. That's wrong. You did me wrong. This is my
Yo,
shit.
it's working. You gotta try it. Man, you're gonna complain. Go buy your own toothbrush. I'm trying to clean.
Why you gonna bother me? What you mean gonna bother me? I'm using my shit, right?
Think about your toothbrush. You had a toothbrush you used to clean the bathroom with it.
My toothbrush is what you call it. It's
Yo,
best
bro, you so
value.
evil, yo. For real, the shit you be doing, bro, you be doing going to the extreme with it, yo. For real, you doing little like things, you going to the fucking extreme. For real.
Your toothbrush wasn't even good enough anyways. Who
That's
uses
my
it?
for that too much last thing what you talking about.
Somebody always say you gotta use the electricity one.
Then you gonna buy me one now, guess when you clean it, then back on my
I
shit, you
spent
gonna buy me one.
$60 on
I
mine.
don't care.
$6 on yours.
You gonna spend $6 for day buying me one.
KK have one.
For
I
real.
use hers.
Who's on my damn toothbrush? So, I love that toothbrush, but too much a week ago.
I you would love
It's
this.
all inside my grill, my teeth, all that, just everything. I'm going to clean the back, but she told us on the West Word back way better. We got sponges. I get rags.
The rags,
Toilet bowl
the
clean.
rags leave lining in it. The toothbrush is like a magical stick.
Things your ass ain't clean. So they gonna use the damn toothbrush?
I mean, I am cleaning.
Yeah, with my damn toothbrush.
It's clean, ain't it? Look.
Oh, God, so hot.
I'm cleaning it.
Every time I have a good day around here, some bullshit. Or you got something going on, your evil things to me. Look, clean the toilet bowl, toilet seat with my damn shit. The sink, the floor, the floor.
My hand.
Shit, you so damn evil, girl.
Oh, my evil.
You're an evil person, for real.
You're evil.
Evil.
You're evil.
Evil ass girl.
Look.
Shit.
The day.
Oh my God, yo. Girl, if I get it too much tonight, yo, I'm telling you, I'm gonna need my toothbrush. I brush my teeth in the morning and night time over the bed. So I'm gonna need my toothbrush.
Yeah. This is actually working.
Yo, I gotta use the bathroom.
So come use it. I'm ready done.
Oh, boy, no. For real. Cleaning it, using my toothbrush. She got her toothbrush in there. There's rags in there. There's damn sponges in there. For real. Like, what the hell are you doing, yo? What the hell you doing? You use my toothbrush for?
Because it's a
I don't know the hell about this little damn prank. That's my toothbrush in my mouth.
Come on
Little
now.
damn prank.
You guys, come on now. You can still use a damn toothbrush.
No, you can't. You put it in the damn toilet. You can't use it no more.
For real.
You can't use that toothbrush no more. You put it in the toilet.
Are you
That's
serious?
where it's going to go to garbage.
Anyway, you guys, are you serious?
It's going to go right in the garbage. You ain't gonna better use that.
Why would I buy a new toothbrush? You got one right there.
It's going to go in the garbage.
I'm not using that shit.